Hello everyone. Today, let's learn about fruits in English with me.
Apple. Apple.
These are apples.
Banana. Banana. These are bananas.
Orange. Orange. These are oranges.
Grapes. Grapes. These are grapes.
Strawberry. Strawberry. These are strawberries.
Lemon. Lemon. This is a lemon.
Lime. Lime. These are pieces of lime.
Cherry. Cherry. These are cherries.
Mango. Mango. These are mangoes.
Coconut. Coconut. This is a coconut.
Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. This is a dragon fruit.
Watermelon. Watermelon. These are slices of watermelon.
Durian. Durian. These are durians.
Jackfruit. Jackfruit. These are jackfruit pods.
Pear. Pear. These are pears.
Peach. Peach. These are peaches. Mangosteen. Mangosteen. This is a mangosteen.
Kiwi. Kiwi. These are kiwis.
Pineapple. Pineapple. These are pineapples.
Guava. Guava.
These are guavas.
Blueberry. Blueberry. These are blueberries.
Blackberry. Blackberry. These are blackberries.
Raspberry. Raspberry. These are raspberries.
Papaya. Papaya. These are papayas.
Plum. Plum. These are plums.
Avocado. Avocado.
These are avocados.
Melon. Melon.
These are melons.
Pomegranate. Pomegranate. These are pomegranates.
Longan. Longan.
These are longans.
Lychee. Lychee. These are lychees.
Starfruit. Starfruit. This is a starfruit. This is a starfruit.
Tamarind. Tamarind. These are tamarinds.
Rambutan. Rambutan. These are rambutans.
Olive. Olive. These are olives.
Fig. Fig. These are figs.
Custard apple. Custard apple. These are custard apples.
Pomelo. Pomelo. These are pomelos.
Passion fruit. Passion fruit. These are passion fruits. Persimmon. Persimmon. These are persimmons.
Soursop. Soursop. These are soursops.